In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create follow-up tasks on record activities in HubSpot. In order to do that, first log into your HubSpot and then either go to Contacts, Companies, Deals, or Tickets. On my case, let's head over and go to our contacts. So once you're in there, you can just click on the record that you want to create a follow-up task. For example, let's choose right here, Brian. Just click on their name right here in order to open this. In here, you can see the task option, so click on this. After you have clicked on that, you will be prompted to create a task for this particular entry. So let's head over and click on this right here. This will open right here, this window, so just wait for this to successfully load. And into this, you can just create a follow-up task that you want. Just choose right here the task type, priority, queue, who's gonna be assigned, as well as some notes. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.